Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you websites that will pay you every day within 24 hours. Here's a list of websites that offer quick, often daily payouts within 24 hours, allowing you to earn money from small tasks, freelancing, surveys, and gig work. Survey Junkie, a survey site where you can earn cash for sharing your options. Cash out options via PayPal or gift cards are available as soon as you reach $10, with funds processing within 24 hours. Amazon Mechanical Truck or mtruck.com, a micro-tasks platform where you can complete small online tasks like data entry and surveys. Once you complete tasks, payments can be transferred to your Amazon payments account within 24 hours and then to your bank or Amazon gift card. Clickworker or clickworker.com, you can complete micro tasks such as writing, categorizing, and answering questions. Payout time, weekly PayPal payouts with some tasks offering faster payouts that can clear within a day. TranscribeMe.com, TranscribeMe is a transcription service where you get paid to transcribe audio files. Payments are processed weekly via PayPal, so you can earn daily and receive regular payouts. Field Agent, you can complete local tasks like mystery shopping, store audits, and product reviews. Payments are available immediately upon tax approval, and you can cash out to your bank account or PayPal within hours. Combining several of these options can help you earn daily and access fast payouts. Just keep in mind that while some platforms may require a few days to clear initial payments, they often offer daily or weekly payout options once established. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.